Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to go on Disney Plus on Nintendo Switch, how to install it on your Nintendo Switch as well. Now, obviously, as you can see right here, Switch does not officially sponsor Disney Plus, but still some users already experience Disney Plus on it, and you can actually, do it. You can actually watch Disney Plus on your Switch. Now, as you can see, to watch Disney Plus on Switch, there are a few ways in which you can do it, right? You can follow these steps and effortlessly stream it, right? So first, you have to set up your Nintendo Switch on your TV, on your smart TV. Make sure to connect to it, right? Then second, you can install the Disney Plus app and sign in. Now, what you can also do is go to your Nintendo Switch home screen and select Disney Plus from the search filters and install it that way. And then you will be able to obviously watch your Disney Plus, right? Now, that's pretty much how to do it. Very simple, guys. It's that simple, but make sure you first, connect it to your TV. As you can see, Disney Plus grants up for 4 different devices to stream TV shows and movies simultaneously at once. So make sure to know this before, going on before basically connecting to your Nintendo Switch. Now, also one thing to make sure is, as you can see, here are some of the steps to set up Nintendo Switch on your TV. So you first open the back cover of your Nintendo Switch dock, right? You join the USB plug from the Nintendo Switch to the AC adapter of your TV, right? And of your wall, sorry. And then you join the other end of the AC adapter to your wall. Obviously, you connect it to the TV. Then you have to join one end of the HDMI cable into the terminal of HDMI out, and then join the other end into an HDMI port on your television. Then you turn on the TV, you choose the correct HDMI input, and then you open Nintendo Switch on your TV and launch the home menu option. Then you just obviously launch the Nintendo Switch, right? You open Switch, you log in, go to your home screen, open the eShop store, then select the box beside the search bar to see the on-screen keyboard, enter Disney Plus, and then you will be able to install your Disney Plus. Guys, it's that simple. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.